Okay, today we're gonna do chupe. Chupe is a Peruvian soup. It's very hearty, very comforting food, and it's made with a protein. You can do it with chicken, you can do it with fish, and you can also do it with shrimps, and all of the above. So today I'm gonna use shrimps and chicken, okay? And I'll show you. So first of all, you dice celery, either red, green peppers, spring onions, and onions. And then we also have the chicken, which is shredded. And we have sweet potatoes. And I have somewhere else the diced potatoes that are already boiled. And then I'll show you the rest on the way, okay? Good. The chicken that we boiled previously, it's already diced. So we add the chicken. If you're adding fish or shrimps, you wait until the soup is completely almost ready, because they have a tendency to disintegrate inside the soup. We'll get back to you. Added green peas, not too many. You can buy this at the produce section in the supermarket, and I recommend not to use the frozen or canned ones because they're very soft and they disintegrate inside the soup. So they have to be cooked for a longer time, so we add it from the beginning. And then we're also going to be adding corn. Sweet corn that can be canned. Okay, we have it previously from the boiling of the chicken. We had a shrimp and chicken stock, which we're adding. Then we have to add more water later. This has to boil. Now I'm adding a whole can of sweet corn with the liquid. That liquid is very good. It gives a sweetness to the soup. And that's it. We have to add some salt. A little bit of nutmeg. So we add a little bit of nutmeg, not too much. It's good enough. And we're adding also black pepper. Where's the black pepper? We're adding black pepper. Not too much. A slight touch of picante. This is very personal, just to give it a little hint of hotness. Okay, in order to thicken the soup, we use 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, maybe 2.5. And very important, this has to be dissolved with cold water. If you want your soup more creamy after it's made, you can add a little bit more, but always previously mixing it in cold water. Otherwise, it will start making little balls of glue inside the soup. Okay, very well stirred. And there we go. That will take care of the thickening. Fire low. So now we only need to add, there are 4 ingredients that are missing. One is cream. We add cream, milk cream, when it's almost ready. 2, we poach eggs inside a saran wrap. Then we put them in boiling water. And every person gets a poached egg in their plate. So you should make like a little bit more than one poached egg per person, per guest. And then finally we buy white cheese. It could be halloumi. And we cut it in dices. So we put it in a plate. So people add the cheese to their soup once in the table. And also we cut some cilantro, green cilantro fresh. So you add at the end the green cilantro and the cheese and the poached egg. But we will let this boil for a while before we add the shrimps. I'm venting. Do you smell it? It smells delicious. Get your nose closer. I'm venting it to you. It's boiling, so we're adding the last protein, which is the shrimps. And there we go. Once the shrimps are ready, the soup's ready. And the only thing missing is the cheese. This is the white cheese. We're going to cut it in dices. We're going to use sour cream, cheese, and cilantro cut in little pieces. Let's try. Delicious. So now we're ready. First thing we do is adding the cheese. I'm going to do one. Then the soup. Then the cream. And the soup is ready. Toma. Llévate la primera, José. Esta es de Sally, que no está tan llena. Ay, espérate. Hello, come here. El huevo. And there you go. So that's it. That's the chupe. So this is the final look with the cilantro, the cream, and the poached egg.